Earnest money.
Here in Myrtle Beach, as we have an incredibly low average sale price throughout the town, earnest monies are around a low $500 going up to $5,000. But a general rule of thumb, wherever you are, is no more than 1 to 1.5% of the asking price listed. Unless you are making an offer in an extreme seller's market where multiple offers are commonplace. Therefore, it may be in your interest to make your offer stand out. Now, as earnest money is a kind of good faith money of sorts, the higher the earnest money dollar amount that you put into your sales contract, well, it does tend to appear that you are more serious about buying the property and that you, not the other 5 or 6 other offers, have every intention of going through and closing on that property. Hey, thanks for watching this short video. You will find a link to the full-length video that this segment came from down in the description. I do hope that it educated you on some of the finer points involved when purchasing property here in Myrtle Beach or indeed South Carolina. Please leave any comments below. Please email me here with any real estate related questions, and meantime, if you like watching real estate videos such as this one, then obviously you're going to love all the other videos on my channel. So be kind to yourself and press the subscribe icon, and while you're there, like this video and show your appreciation for this video, as I appreciate you guys for being my audience.